Hi, my name is Hanna Back. I work in Wyomings as a senior analyst. We specialize in conversion optimization. Right now, we are partners with Mojo, and here today, I'm here to explain what is conversions to you. So, what are conversions? First, we have to understand that conversions are different from company to company. One company wants registrations, and another company wants purchases. So, what is conversion optimization? So what about the process of conversion optimization? The process is all about to identify the key points that have to be resolved to get a better response from the user and get the results that you want from your website. So let's say you want to do conversion optimization. So what are you going to look? You have to look three basic things. First is media planning, your investment. Second is your website, the platform that you're looking. And third is the user. With these three factors, you should get things done as fast as this. So taking from these three factors, what we can define, media planning is something that is done all over the world by great companies. Great companies are spending a lot of money on media budgets. So what is happening with that money? And afterwards, what is happening with the websites? Are we doing an efficient website with great architecture? We're doing with great design. What about the users? Are we analyzing the data correctly? Are we giving them the content that they need? So those are the questions that are basic for conversion optimization. And it's time for you to make those questions right now within your company. For those who work in conversion optimization, we all have found that something that is absolutely relevant is that most of times we are wrong. And the thing about being wrong is that actually sometimes you get it right. And to get it right, you have to do several things. And the first thing is to start listening the user. And the second thing is to start analyzing the data. The only way to get really great improvements, real results, is to get in-depth data analysis. And right now, and get actionable data right now, and stop the bullshit. So you must be saying to yourself, hey, that sounds really difficult. And I'm going to be clear, it is. But it gets really simple once you have the client trust and you have a team that is supporting you. So on my experience, for example, we work in a university and we were doing these admission programs and we have to achieve at least 5,000 new students, which is absolutely difficult. We just with conversion optimization and just the process that I have just explained, we achieve a 900% of increase new students. This number is not a number that floats in the air. It's a number that talks about a whole effort. We went to the call center and we trained them and we changed the scripts. We went to the landing page and we changed the content. We made data analysis to get the exact information that the students were looking for. So conversion optimization is not about magic. It's a lot about method and get the data to be actionable for all the parties that are involved. I was first explaining how important is the users and the media planning. Well, websites are absolutely key for the conversion optimization. And why? Because once you get the user to come to your website, and once you have understanding what is the user, the thing is, what are you offering to them? What is the proposition value? Do you have the services? Is the page right? Is the loading process okay? There's a lot of questions that have to be made. And the other thing is that, how do you understand your website? Is your website a tree of content? Is your website a round, big, large mess that a user can understand? Start thinking about how the user encounters your site. Imagine him to arrive not to the homepage, but to a landing page that is really small. And that probably, if it's well built, you're gonna get the whole proposition value in just one page, in just one click. That is conversion optimization at its best. One landing page, getting all the thing as it should. All the proposition value in just one phrase. all the results in one place. In Winomics, we work in SEO and SEM, which basically means search engine optimization and search engine marketing. Both are very, very different ways to achieve traffic to your website. Organic traffic conversions are very different from paid ones, especially because when you're looking for organic traffic, you're trying to resolve an information query instead of a commercial query. That is often the reason why the user click on your ad. The most important about organic traffic conversion is to deliver the information that it was asked in an order that is important and related to the buying process of the consumer. Instead, in the paid conversion optimization, we are looking for the users to get the most quick answers ever on your site and get the answers that he was looking for, and all the fears getting resolved in just one landing page. So just remember, in the organic conversion, what information is looking for and which information is relevant for the buying process, and in the paid conversion, what kind of information is required for the user to buy right now. Everything else, it doesn't matter. Just erase it from your mind. So, okay, so you end up the whole process. Now you have the data and you have to do something about it. The problem is that you're gonna face a web design team and they're gonna take 1 week. Too bad, it's not good enough. That's the thing that we love about Mojo, because you can get action when you get the data. And you do it right now, not for tomorrow. Especially because time is money for us. And time is money for our customers. So we do believe in Mojo platform to make things happen. I don't know how, but they do it. And I don't know if you have tried it yet, but you should, definitely. The process makes lead generation much more easier. It connects CRM, which is customer relationship management, with social media. It makes social media much more easy to understand. It makes AdWords a lot more easy to understand within a website. It connects it, just the way it should be, isn't it? So, what do you do first? Imagine that Mojo is used to create a student banking website where purpose is to generate student leads. The first thing to do is create a data form with initial data you would like to capture from students. In this case, you'll ask 4 questions in your data form. You'll use the last question to generate your exact target of student leads. If the student answers, "I would like a bank executive to contact me now," you have your qualified student lead. You're going to measure your banners, social ads, and AdWords directly to your customer target. So the next thing you'll do is configure more things in Mojo. You'll create a target and apply the criteria for Contact Me Now. You call the target Hot Qualified Student Leads and then use the question filter. Now, a pop-up box asks you for the forename and the specific question applied for the target. You'll now select the answer you're looking for to generate the hot student leads, which is having a bank executive contact me now. With your target created, you'll now create your campaigns to drive traffic to your landing page or website. Select New Campaign. In the target options, you'll select a specific target and hot qualified student leads. You can now add your campaign sources or the banners, AdWords, or social ads that you want to measure. This allows you to know your cost per student lead in real time. Our first source will be a Facebook social ad. Mojo generates the tracking URL for this source. This is the link you use to track your social ad. By selecting View Link, you can copy and paste the link you need to send students from Facebook to your bank landing page. So paste this link in Facebook and you're on your way to tracking whether this social ad is producing qualified student leads at the lowest cost.